Hello there, I'm the man about dessert, I'm the man, and this is your dessert. Today we'll be making a semi-New York style cheesecake. I hope that you can follow along and make it at home for yourself. Real quick as well, little tidbit, yes, the poor kitchen time machine is under maintenance, a little sad, worse for wear, it'll get better. And second off, this is a new style of video that I'm trying, so it's a little off from the norm. The ingredients that you will need, these are all in weight measurements: 15 ounces of cream and cheese, 4.25 ounces of sugar, 7 ounces of sour cream, 150 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 of a lemon's worth of juice, for the cake of course. For the crust you will need 1 package of graham crackers, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And this is all going into a 9-inch springform pan.